This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Henrietta Ancheta. This 2.315-acre lot has 284 feet of road frontage and rezoned to Commercial Park, CP, during a development plan for a daycare center. Preliminary site and floor plans for center are available upon request. This is also a great location for business/medical offices or a warehouse. Possibly suited for 2 residential homes. This is located next to Suburban Woods development. For more information, review the details below.